Hi, this is Karanda with Metal Toad Media, and in this video I want to talk about draggable views and how to create a custom sort using draggable views. So let me show you what I mean. Here on the Metal Toad site we actually have implemented a custom version of this. So here's a view showing some of the work that we've done, and if you look under the contextual edit link, there's a sort slides option here. And now we can open that up and we can just drag and drop these in whatever order that we like. So I'm actually going to cancel that because I don't want to change the home page. So now I'm going to show you how to set up draggable views, and there is actually an official module for this now, so no custom coding needed. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go over and grab the draggable views module and install that. So once you have views and draggable views, you are ready to go. So I have this sandbox set up, and I've got a content type of animals, and this page just shows any photo with kittens in it. And I also have a taxonomy for dogs. So right now I'm just have the kittens page showing, and we want to set up so that someone could order this view in any random order that they choose. So the first thing we need to do is to set up a separate view that is going to control the sorting order. So I have another view. It's pretty similar to the original view that shows that page. It takes a content type of animals that also has a taxonomy term of Felis catus. And instead of the regular page, because this is a sorting page, I gave it a path of admin/sorting/kittens. So the next thing we're going to do is add a field. Oh, let me back up actually. You need to change the format here to a table. So click table, hit apply, and I'm just going to leave these default boxes checked. Okay. So next we need to add a field, and that is the field that's going to be the weight that determines the order. So we can just search for draggable, and we add that. And I don't want to label, and I don't want to exclude it from the display. And you can change this label here if you like. I'm going to say update. So let's just leave it like that. Hit apply. Next you want to come down to the sort criteria, and we're going to add the draggable views field, or the weight. And I'm just going to leave that as is and hit apply. Alright, so now you can see a little preview. You've got your draggable handle here, the title, and the photo. And just for a nice touch, I'm going to go ahead and just change the order. There we go. Alright, so save that. So now you want to go to your original view. So you see here we have the kittens view, and now we have the kittens sorting view. So we want to go into the kitten view. And if we come down here to sort, right now it just has the default post date. So let's take that off. And we're going to add our draggable views weight. So basically we're saying use this other view, and if you have other views that are specifically for sorting, you'll get a list of all those here. But right now it knows that we've created this sorting view, and it gives us that as an option, and that's what it's going to use to determine what order these appear in. Alright, so let's save that, and now let's go back and refresh our kitten page. So now if we go to the contextual link, We now have edit view, which is normal, and now we have order view. So that brings up a nice overlay, and we could just drag and drop these. I like this picture here. Let's put that one first. And this one's really cute, so let's put that one second. And when they have this just like you want it, update. And now your order is reflected on the page. So pretty simple and pretty cool. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.